Hey buddy, yes, I'm back once again, and today we'll look at this bad boy. This is the Huawei MateBook X Pro 2020 edition. Now I must say, I am actually really excited to see this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to open the box, see what we're getting inside, see what that experience is like. Because let's be honest, we all like a good unboxing experience. Well, I do anyway. And this is a premium product, so I'm expecting a premium unboxing. So alright, really quickly, just going to see if I can bring the specs in here for you. If I can get it to focus, you can also just see that about there. It is the emerald green colour, which is going to be interesting to see. It's got a 13.9 inch screen, which is a touch screen, 16 gig of RAM, 1TB SSD, and the GPU is the NVIDIA MX250, and it's an Intel i7, and it's the 10510U or the 10510U. Yeah, I'm not too sure. Anyway, the actual screen resolution is 3000 by 2000 and it's 450 nits. So don't forget that when I'm actually talking about the actual screen, etc, etc. Anyway, I have opened this part up. I was going to take a quick like a little peek inside the box before I unboxed it, but you'll see in a second. I was like, oh crap. So I just stuck it back in its box really quickly for a true unboxing experience. And here we go. This is something that was really cool. So when I actually get the box, you present it like this. I was like, oh, okay, just kind of lift these up. And I was like, oh, yeah, I've got to get my hand in there. All you do is just lift these up like this. Again, it's kind of hard for me to show you properly, but just lift the little cardboard things up, lifts it out, and then happy days, she's out of the box. Well, hey, cool, right? I thought it was a nice, easy solution. And as you can see, here she is. Yes, the MateBook X Pro. And again, it's a new 2020 edition. And I'm interested to see the emerald green colour, because I've only seen it in pictures. I've never actually seen this in person, especially the emerald green one. So I'm really excited for this one. Again, let's just pop it over to the back and see if it's got anything on there. Oh, nope, completely devoid of everything. And there we go, it just tells you what the actual model, etc. is there. Anyway, should we bring out the unboxing knife? Yeah, here we are. Oh, hey. So you can see I've got some new lights. You can probably just see them there in the actual picture. Just cut into this here. There we go. And what we'll do is we'll just rip it off, because let's be honest, we all like tearing the plastic off these ones, don't we? I say, first thing, the box feels really good quality. I know it sounds really strange, but if you're like me, if you're paying a good amount of money for something, then let's be honest, you want it to feel premium. And yeah, even the bloody box, I want the box to feel premium as well. So on the front of it here, looks like it just lifts up. So we've got like a little tab here. So if we just kind of pull this tab up, I believe. So pull this, lie nice and flat. Ready for this? Oh, I like that. Oh, look at that. Oh, I like that. So I'm going to try and show you on the side. Again, I'm a bit of a geek for the box, for the actual unboxing experience. So what you do is when you lift it up, if you watch the laptop at the back, it lifts it out for you. How cool is that? How cool is that? I like that. Yeah, that is a major plus point for me. Again, it's an unboxing experience, and that's the whole point of unboxing videos. If it's just taking some out of a packet and it's kind of crap, what's the point? Oh, I must admit, that's really, really nice. There's the colour. I'll take it out of the plastic sleeve in just a second or two. Just stick it off to the side. For now, what also do we get inside here? But we're going to get some documentation, the power cable, etc. So, inside this one, yep, here we go. Oh, this is cool. So inside the box you actually get a dongle, so that's a nice little addition in there. And on there it's got your standard VGA, look at that, classic, eh? USB Type-C, I believe. And also HDMI just there as well. And on that side is standard USB port. And that's just hooked up to a USB-C kind of cable there. That's a nice inclusion, because you normally pay with other brands, pay like 40, 50 quid for that. That's a nice addition. What else have we got inside here? Looks like we have a USB-C to USB-C cable. That's another nice addition. That's pretty cool. And then, as a good old flossy cat would say, you've got usual books and shit. And we'll do, we'll file them off to the side. Yeah. And what's inside this one? This must be the power connector. And if it is, that's going to be one of the smallest power connectors I've seen for any laptop. And it is. Bloody hell. Look at that. That is small. Isn't it? Look at that. It's a tiny one. Now this does, I believe it's 65 watts. Let me just see if I can bring it here. Yeah, so 65 watts. I think I can get it to focus on there. You see at the end, 65 watts. That's a pretty small charger that you're getting inside the box. Yeah, I like that. That's cool. And I'm happy it's a UK one. Yeah, I'm happy. So depending on where you are in the world, you are going to get the one for yours. So obviously mine's a UK one. If you're in Europe, you're going to get a European one, Asia, America, etc. Wherever you can pick this up, you'll get the actual plug adapter for yours. And that's pretty small for what you normally get inside these boxes. Come on, let's be honest. I've seen them in the past where you get like a freaking big honker like that, but then you take your plug out. Whereas this bad boy, just that. So that and that, and you're charging. That's cool. I like that. Anyway, let me get this crap off the table and I'll be right back. Right, so I've got all the bumfo crap away, and here we are. We're actually going to take a quick look at the hardware. It's not going to be a full review today, because again, it's just an unboxing, the experience, and in regards to what the actual machine looks like, especially in this nice kind of emerald green colour. I'm going to give you a quick look around the hardware, but I will be coming back in a future video. If you want me to do benchmarks and stuff like that, I can do. Realistically, I don't really kind of see the point in a lot of them, but if you want me to do them, let me know in a comment down below. I'll generally probably be giving a kind of standard review regards to how it's just performed for me. If I've enjoyed the keyboard, how the screen, is it performed good, the battery life, etc. I'm just going to review it like any other device. I'm not going to kind of go into silly benchmarks here and silly benchmarks there, unless you really want me to. So again, let me know in a comment down below. Anyway, shut up Sam, let's take this out of its packet here. I must say, it's pretty light. I think it's actually 1.49 kilos is the actual weight of it, which for my American friends, I'm not really sure what that is. It's probably £2 something. I don't know. Ah, look at that. Wow. And I got to admit, when I saw the colour on the website and then I saw the colour on the, it told me it was going to be this colour, I was a bit hesitant because I was thinking, oh, a green laptop? But that's pretty damn nice. Let me see if I can get a bit closer. You kind of get that true colour. That's really, really nice. Wow. Yeah. That is an absolute beauty. So again, let's just take this plastic, put it off to the side as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you around the actual laptop itself. As you can see here, we've got a headphone port. We've got two, I think they're Thunderbolt ports, or one of them's a Thunderbolt port. And then I know you can charge by one of them, and I believe that one of them is a Thunderbolt port. Don't quote me on it, I'm not 100% sure, but I know it's definitely USB Type-C times 2. So obviously it supports DisplayPort and charging, etc. Taking it around the front of it, absolutely nothing apart from the cutout, so you can actually open the screen. And then going out to this side, you get this solo USB-A port. And on the back, once again, absolutely nothing. So first off the bat, I would have liked, honestly, I probably would have liked an extra USB Type-C, maybe another one here or something like that. Or maybe even two USB-A ports, if they could have fit them on there. But again, it is a pretty tiny device, so it might have been a bit hard to get it. The dimensions, by the way, are 307mm by 223 by, I think it's 15.9 is how thick it is. That is tiny. Look at it. Yeah? Right, so let's see if I can actually open the laptop with one hand. Oh, look at that. That's lifting a little bit. But if we put our finger down now, boom, happy days. And as you can see here, it's just got some information with regards to do not tear the Huawei share icon on your laptop. Otherwise, the one tap will not work properly. That's not. Oh, okay. So apparently I can't take this off. Okay. I'll look a bit more into that. Here we go. So it actually tells you on here what they are for. So you can charge both of them. That's cool. So both the USB Type-C ports here on the side, you can. That is flipping awesome. you actually can charge by both of them, as you can probably see just about there. And it's telling me there's a little camera here, so if you press the little button, it actually pops your camera up. So yeah, your camera is here, and you can hide it. Not only you can hide it, it's obviously for privacy reasons. So if you don't want your camera to be looking at you when you're just not doing all with it, just have it open, close it. That's pretty cool. And last but not least, it's the actual fingerprint sensor here. So to log into your device, you basically just put your fingerprint on it, and boom, logs you in, which I think is pretty damn cool as well. So yeah, let's take that off there. Let's have a look. Let's see if we can get the, look at that keyboard. That's nice, isn't it? Hello, you can just about see me. Let's have a quick feel of it. So, that's pretty nice actually. It's got a nice bit of travel, nice bit of feedback on it. Yeah, I could probably get used to that. And it's a decent sized trackpad as well. Again, it's only a 13.9 inch display. Kind of show you that one there. There's the actual display. Yeah, that's pretty damn cool. And again with the camera, so see, I was going to bring the camera a little bit closer for us. Here we go. So if I tap that, you bring the camera up. You just see about there. And when you want to hide it, just hide it away. Oh, that's pretty cool. I like that. Wow. Good to me. It is a beautiful looking device, do you not think? Especially with the colour. Again, I'm not really seeing like an emerald, as they call it, emerald green kind of laptop. It's a really, really nice colour. It's different, and someone's not going to mistake it for another laptop having this colour, which I think is pretty cool. And it's got the new Huawei branding on there, so it's no longer got the leaf. I think it's like a leaf kind of little design that goes over. We've now just got the Huawei branding there. That's pretty damn cool. I'm happy with that. But anyway, people, I'm going to get off. That's just the unboxing experience, should I say, of the new Huawei MateBook X Pro 2020 edition. So there is a last year's edition, there is this 2020 edition, and obviously 2021, etc, etc. Anyway, I'm going to get off. I'm going to say thanks for watching. If you've got any questions with regards to this or anything else by now, you know what to do. Hit me up in a comment down below. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. It is completely free. Go on, you know you want to. And go on, hit like. Why not? Just do it. Anyway, people, once again, thank you for watching. And you'll hopefully see me in my next video. Cheers, everyone.